Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial on how to log in to Snapchat without a verification code. Sometimes, due to various reasons, you may not have access to the verification code sent to your mobile device. But don't worry, I helped you out with this issue. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Here, tap on Login. On the login screen, enter your username or email associated with your Snapchat account. Instead of entering a password, tap on the Forgot Your Password link below. Here, choose the via email. Here, just write your email account and tap on Submit. Now, you will need to check your inbox. You will receive this email, and to reset your password, click on this link. And now, you can change your password and go to Save. Once it's done, go to Snapchat again, and now you can log in to Snapchat. Thank you for watching and see you next time.